Ever wondered how to copy and paste text easily in Canva without messing up your design? Well, you're in the right place. Because by the end of this video, you'll be doing it like a pro. Let's dive right in. Copying and pasting in Canva is super simple, but there are a few tricks that can save you a lot of time, especially if you work with multiple text boxes or pages. First, click on the text box you want to copy. Once it's selected, press Ctrl plus C on Windows or Command plus C on a Mac. That's your quick copy shortcut. Then, move your cursor to where you want the text to appear and press Ctrl plus V or Command plus V to paste. But here's the cool part. Canva doesn't just limit you to text. You can copy and paste almost anything. Images, icons, grouped elements, or even entire pages between different designs. Just select what you need, use the same shortcuts, or right-click and choose Copy and Paste from the menu. If you want to duplicate something on the same page even faster, try holding Alt or Option on Mac while dragging the element. Canva will instantly create a copy for you. This method is perfect for keeping your designs consistent without retyping or resizing every time. And that's it. Now you know how to copy and paste text and so much more inside Canva, saving time and keeping your designs perfectly aligned. If you found this quick guide helpful, stick around for more simple Canva tips that make designing easier than ever.